Showers and thunderstorm chances are going to increase as we head through today and working throughout the next several days, which will also help aid in an opportunity of some cooler temperatures. But out the door right now, no showers and storms, but it is certainly a warm and humid start to the morning. 70 degrees out the door, southeast wind around 6 miles per hour. Certainly a beautiful sunrise from our Odessa Skycam clouds. Will begin to still fill in as we go throughout much of the day, but it is still going to be quite hot. We'll see highs still into the 90s today before we see those cooler conditions working towards the middle of the week. Overall though, satellite and radar clouds are continuing to increase. Not much in the way of showers and thunderstorms to start off your morning. It's going to be towards your late afternoon as storms will begin to bubble up along to our western counties and higher terrain. We'll see a few isolated storms into the Big Country College Valley. It's going to be due to an outflow boundary, and we'll kind of see what that kind of dividing line, but the coverage remains fairly low, and this will be towards your late evening or closer to 7 p.m. But that activity will fizzle out in the Big Country College Valley by the late evening, but coverage will continue to increase towards the west. We'll see a complex of showers and thunderstorms developing into portions of New Mexico, and this activity will try to push in towards the Permian Basin, but we'll continue to see some constant redevelopment, which could lead to some pockets of some instances of flash flooding as we head in towards late tonight into early tomorrow. Working it towards the late morning, we'll see this complex of showers and thunderstorms bundle up together. I think this could be a bit earlier into the morning hours. This model shows 12 p.m. I'm thinking around 10 a.m. and we'll see this activity slowly push off towards the east, and it will turn into a bit more of a widely scattered chance for the eastern basin towards the Big Country and College Valley as we head towards your late evening hour closer to 5 p.m. with activity expected to slowly fizzle out as we head in towards the late evening hours. In terms of rainfall though, I think southeast New Mexico is going to be kind of the winner. I'm thinking isolated spots over an inch could be possible, especially along near the Pecos River Valley. But I'd say best case scenario for us here in Midland, Odessa, between a half an inch to maybe an inch of rain, especially if we can get some of those showers and thunderstorms to escape from the west. But again, I think the majority may see upwards of a quarter inch to maybe upwards of a half an inch, with those isolated spots, especially further off towards the east, upwards to an inch. But Big Country College Valley coverage will stay overall low, and I think we'll only have a few isolated instances of upwards of a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch. There towards the west, that's going to be the greatest risk of some flash flooding, a level 2 out of 4 risk. Elsewhere, it's just a level 1 out of 4 marginal risk. Rain chances for the next couple days stay widely scattered. We'll have an uptick tonight into the overnight hours for the Permian Basin, but at least throughout the next several days, we'll keep a good 20 to 40% coverage across much of West Texas. But working towards the weekend, rain chances will overall begin to fizzle out in the forecast, and we'll certainly see at least that trend in terms of temperatures will be cooler for Wednesday through Friday because of the rain chances and the added cloud cover, but more sunshine, high pressure slowly to build back in. We'll see warmer conditions as we head back into Sunday. So out the door right now, it's a beautiful start to the morning. The sun is rising, a mix of sun and clouds, a temperature of 71 degrees out the door. We have 70 into Midland, 64 over into Alpine, warming up to 92 in Midland and Odessa. Today, 93 in Abilene, 92 in San Angelo, upper 80s for the higher terrain. Working through your 7-day forecast, we'll keep a 30% coverage of showers and storms today and tomorrow for the Big Country and College Valley. So that means 70% of us will likely stay dry. Working in towards Thursday, I have us around a 20% coverage, bumped it up to 40% for San Angelo heading into Friday. Permian Basin, a good 30 to 40% coverage for the next several days. Overnight tonight, having us at 60%, but temperatures will be back into the 90s into early next week. We'll be right back after the break.